Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Pudina chutney 3 ways. I'm in my kitchen garden and I'm cutting some stems of the mint. I will be using this mint in all 3 of my chutneys. Now let's go to kitchen and start making chutneys. I washed mint leaves and some cilantro and some green chilies. I will prepare all the ingredients. I'm going to break all the stems from cilantro and throw them away, and then I'm going to take out all the mint leaves one by one from the stem. In a blender I will add a very long and very spicy green chili. I'll break it and add it in the mixer. Then I will add half bunch of cilantro. I'm going to also break it and then add it in the mixer. Then I will add a handful or 1 cup of mint leaves, 1/4 cup of water, and half teaspoon of salt. We are going to mix it, blend everything together for a minute or two or until it became a smooth paste or puree. Now take it out in a bowl and decorate it with mint leaf and cilantro. Now let's make chutney number 2. In a mixer or in a blender, I will add about 2 cups of mint leaves and 1 long green chili. I have a very long and very spicy green chili, but if you don't have it, you can add 2 to 3 green chilies. Then I will add 1 tomato. I'm gonna cut it in thick slices and add it directly in the blender. Now I will add juice from half of lemon. Going to squeeze all the juice from the half of the lemon. If you have small lemons, you can add whole lemon. Then I will add 1/4 cup of water. We're going to close it and again blend it. Blend it to a smooth puree. Dish it out in a small bowl and decorate it with a slice of lemon and some cilantro. Let's make chutney number 3. For that you will need again some mint leaves, 1 cup of mint leaves. I have 1 bulb of garlic. I'm gonna add it in the mixer. A tablespoon of Anardana, and then half cup of water. Close the blender and blend it. Blend it for about 30 seconds and then we are going to open it and add a green chili in it. Close it and blend it again for a minute and a half. Once it's blended, we are going to dish it out in a small bowl and decorate it with some cilantro and mint leaves. Now, if you don't want to use all the chutneys the same day, you can actually put them in a freezer kind of tray and then pour it like I'm doing and then freeze them and can use it for up to 2 months. All the chutneys are ready. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. You guys have a blessed day. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.